Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Yakakot kabal kerteng Swami Vivekananda and Shillong balatho daka malabika bisharat lapalat pajba haka kanyo tarik unai wing arjar puar haka jingelang kabalingkot kabalalong ha conference hall jong ka Shillong Press Club haka ni kakon ka malabika bisharat kalatho chpang jingwan yuk jat jong Swami Vivekananda Nongbah Shillong ha upanay yong kakandai spa iway bat ubala penlut hadu arpo singi bandring mesiem ya ki air batemon ki air batisi haka ni Nongbah Shillong haki tukipor.
The basic inspiration I get from the plaque, the dilapidated plaque in Laban, which was installed in 1963-64 during Swami Vivekananda's birth centenary. In February 2009, I went there for the first time, and I saw the ruined house and the dilapidated plaque over there. It is written that Swami Vivekananda stayed here in April 1901. I was so surprised and shocked to see the condition of the plaque and the ruined house. From Bina studio, one person he told me that Swamiji stayed here in 1901, and many people they know about Swamiji's visit to Shillong and he stayed here. I came to Shillong, I came to my home and I started my research on Swamiji's life and his letters written during those period in 1901, April-May. After that, I published my Bengali articles to many Bengali magazines and of Northeast so that people could know about the place and they could protect and the place. And especially, I sent my request letters to the state government of Meghalaya, central government, to protect this place as the heritage site because it is a heritage site, historic place. And during 2015-16, I started organizing programs during Swamiji's birthday, 12th January, you all know, it is National Youth Day that day. And I was from Ramakrishna Mission, Secretary Uchiteshanandaji Maharaj, and many people, especially the ladies from Sarada Samiti, under her leadership, they came, joined me, and we celebrated the occasion 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19. And during pandemic, I took the, from DC office permission. She gave me permission, DC, and we organized programs at that place of Laban. And their keen interest, they showed their keen interest to protect the place as in the memory of Swami Vivekananda. And it is a great honor for me that Swami Subharanandaji Maharaj, General Secretary, Ramakrishna Mission, Belur Math headquarters, he also joined, he also came there to that place on my request, and he showed his keen interest to save the site in the memory of Swami Vivekananda. And I am so thankful to all the Swamiji's secretaries, Ramakrishna Mission Shillong, Swami Hitaganandaji Maharaj. He sent yesterday, his blessings. I am so blessed that Swami Subharanandaji Maharaj, he is the General Secretary, Rever Swami Subharanandaji Maharaj from Belur Math. He sent his blessings to me for this book, and he said that your book must be a grand success and circulated to all. And this book is based on 3 chapters. There are 3 chapters. First chapter is consisted of Swamiji's last public tour to East Bengal and Shillong. And in the second chapter, I want to write. I have shown that how Swamiji's visit to Shillong is everlasting impact of Swamiji's visit to Shillong, and how after that how Ramakrishna Mission, establishment of Ramakrishna Mission, and how in these hills and dales, how they influence, and today how they are doing their good jobs for the people of these hills and dales of Meghalaya. And in the last chapter, I have written the initiatives taken by us, by the government, by me, by other people, by Sarada Samiti, and by the Vivekananda admirers, how, by the media also, how they encourage and how they wrote, they want to highlight the place so that we can, everybody with our all efforts, everybody's efforts, it can be saved. And this book is dedicated, I have dedicated this book to my father, who is 91 years old and who encouraged me from 2009 to complete this book for all. I have dedicated this book, and it is through this book I have shown, I extend my tribute to our nation on the India's 75 years of independence and our state on its 50 years of statehood. I wish I have given so many old and new pictures and Swami Vivekananda's pictures, very precious pictures you will find here. And nowadays what we are doing, all pictures are there, and you will get in every pictures all the history will speak you. And this I am dedicating it to you all, and I think through this book, after reading this book, you will be benefited, and the researcher will be benefited, and the people who want to save the that place where Swami Vivekananda stayed almost 20 days in 1901, they can save it with this book and by the help of the state government and central government. And lastly, I would like to give you one information that recent on March 2022, I have received information from Prime Minister office. That's our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Damodar Modi. He has accepted my request on Swamiji, and he has sent the letter to the State Government of Meghalaya Joint Secretary Arts and Culture Department.